Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo, hello, Privet. In today's video, we are going to make a beautiful family tree using soft cardboard. This is a perfect project for family gatherings, school assignments, or simply to cherish your family memories. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a hard cardboard to use as the base. To make the tree, you will need a soft cardboard along with a paper knife, pencil, eraser, ruler, black pen, white paper, red paper, and a cutting mat. If I missed any materials, check the description for more details. Let me explain the process briefly. First, take a piece of soft cardboard, sketch out the tree using a pencil and carefully cut it out with a paper knife. Next, paint the tree black. Then attach double-sided tape to the back of the tree and stick it onto a piece of hard cardboard. Make sure to wrap the hard cardboard in white paper to complement the tree's color. After attaching the tree, cut out leaves from red paper and place them on the branches. Then cut some pieces of white paper, write your family members' names on them and glue them onto the tree. Finally, use the leftover red paper to create little pieces of grass at the bottom of the tree. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.